Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this logo easily by using Adobe Illustrator. So let's start the video. So friends, at first you have to set up a face. To do it you have to click on File, then click on New, then select Answers from here, then click on this box and type 3.5, then click on this box and type 2. Then you have to click on the Create. After set up the page, you have to select the text tool, then you have to click on here, then type the text in here. Then you have to select this, then you have to click on here. Then you have to select this font style. Then select the move tool, then press and hold the shift key, then increase the size of this, then drag this in here. Then select this again, then press and hold the shift key, then increase the size of this again. Then select this and drag this in here. Then select the pen tool, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve, then press and hold alt key, then click on the anchor point, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again, then select the move tool, then you have to select this, then drag this in here, then you have to select this and press and hold alt key, then take a copy from this, then you have to rotate this, then drag this in here, then drag this in here. Then you have to select this letters again, then press and hold alt key, then take copy again, then you have to rotate this, then drag this in here, then rotate this again, then drag this in here, then select the move tool, then select the pen tool from here, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again, then press and hold alt key and click on the anchor point, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again, then press and hold alt key and click on the anchor point again, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again, then select the move tool, then you have to select these letters and drag these letters in here, then select all letters from here, then press and hold alt key, then you have to zoom in here, then select the shape builder tool, then press and hold alt key, then you have to click on here and click on here, then select the move tool, then you have to click on here, then you have to zoom in again, then you have to select this, then delete this, then you have to select this, then double click on here, then you have to select this color from here, then click on the OK, then you have to select the move tool, then you have to select this, then you have to click on the stroke, then you have to select this color, then select the move tool, then you have to select this, then select the gradient tool, then click on here, then select this, then go to the properties, then click on the fill, then select this color from here, then you have to select this, then click on the fill, then select this color from here, then you have to select this and drag this in here, then select the move tool, then select this and select the gradient tool, then click on here, then select the move tool, then select this, then select the gradient tool again, then click on here, then you have to select the move tool, then select this, then select the gradient tool, then click on here, then select the move tool, then you have to select this, then select the gradient tool, then click on here, then select this and drag this in here, then increase the size of this, then drag this in here, then select this and drag this in here, then select the move tool, then select this again, then select the gradient tool, then you have to click on here, then go to the properties, then click on the fill, then select this color from here, then select the move tool again, then you have to select this and drag this in here, then select this, then drag this in here, then select the move tool. After that you have to select all layers, then go to the layer panel, then you have to unlock the letter, then select all layers from here, then press and hold the shift key, then increase the size of this, then drag this in here, then increase the size of this again, then you have to click on the file, then click on the export, then click on the export as, then select the location, then type the logo name, then select the PNG format, then click on the export, then select 300 ppi from here, then select transparent from here, then click on the OK. After that, you have to open the Adobe Photoshop. So I am opening the Adobe Photoshop from my PC. After opening the Adobe Photoshop, you have to open the logo mockup. So I am opening this mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here. Then you have to select the logo, then click on the backspace. Then you have to open the exported logo. Then select this and drag this in here. Then set this in here. Then double click on here. Then you have to click on here. Then select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then click on the tick mark. Then you have to press Ctrl plus S button from keyboard. Now here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is for you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.